This will be a walk around and tour video of our toolkit auction. Hard to believe that one would want to film a video of a toolkit auction, but parts auctions can be kind of dry. So we figured, why not make it kind of fun? So we are out here at Just Jags, noted Jaguar restoration facility, where we are being hosted by owner Bob Harold, who's been kind enough to give us the run of the place. So if you saw the Just Jags facility tour, you've probably already seen some of this. So this will be a bonus video specifically looking at the toolkits that we will be featuring a little at a time. So we have a variety, as you can see, various years, various series. They will be coming up one by one. We have literature. We have all kinds of things. So just wanted to give you a bit of a preview or inside look. Some of this is from Bob's personal collection. Some of it is from the Just Jags inventory. All of it is being assembled, documented, cataloged, photographed, and presented. So, a variety of lots that are being grouped by series, by gen. We're gonna have combination jacks, toolkits, rolls, a little something for every Jag aficionado. Hope you've enjoyed the video.